Solution Part 2. Percentage mass by volume. It is defined as solute in gram and solution in ml. 5% mass by volume sugar solution, that is 5 gram of sugar dissolved in 100 ml of sugar solution. 5% mass by volume. 5% mass by volume sugar solution, that is 5 gram of sugar dissolved in 100 ml of sugar solution. That is percentage mass by volume. 5% mass by mass, that is 5 gram of solute present in 100 gram of solution. 100 gram of solution. 5% mass by mass sugar solution, that is 5 gram of solute present in 100 gram of solution. It is mass by mass. Solute in gram and solution also in gram. Mass by volume, solute in gram, solution in ml. Similarly, 5% volume by volume, that is 5 ml of solute, 5 ml of solute present in 100 ml of solution. ये भी solute in volume and solution also in volume, that is volume by volume. Mass by mass, solute in gram, solution in gram. Mass by volume, solute in gram, solution in ml. Volume by volume, solute in ml, solution in ml. 3 basic relations are there: 5% mass by volume, 5% mass by mass, 5% volume by volume. Concentration term mass by volume, mass by mass, and volume by volume. Percentage is calculated as percentage mass by volume of solution, that is solute in gram, solution in ml into 100%. Solute in gram, solution in ml into 100%, that is percentage mass by volume of solution. Solute in gram, solution in ml into 100% into 100%. Similarly, percentage mass by mass of solution, that is solute in gram, solution in gram into 100%. It will give us the percentage mass by mass of solution. Solute in gram by solution in gram into 100%. Percentage mass by volume of solution, solute in gram by solution in ml into 100%. Similarly, percentage volume by volume, volume of solute in ml, volume of solution in ml into 100%. Percentage volume by volume, that is volume of solute by volume of solution into 100%. In this way we can calculate percentage mass by volume of solution, percentage mass by mass of solution, percentage volume by volume of solution. जिस किसी का भी हमको परसेंटेज निकालना हो उसको रखेंगे ऊपर में, डिवाइड बाय टोटल इंटू 100%. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, 10 gram of sugar present in 50 gram of sugar solution. Calculate percentage mass by mass of sugar solution. Mass of sugar 10 gram, mass of sugar solution 50 gram, percentage mass by mass is equal to mass of sugar by mass of sugar solution into 100%, that is 10 by 50 into 100%. That is 20% mass by mass sugar solution. In this way we can calculate the percentage mass by mass. Weight of solute, weight of solution या mass of solute, mass of solution into 100% will give us the percentage mass by mass. Similarly, percentage mass by volume, तो mass of sugar, volume of solution into 100%. Similarly, percentage volume by volume, volume of solute by volume of solution into 100%. Next class, molarity, molality and mole fraction. Molarity, molality and mole fraction.